Welcome to Jay's Daily Pre-Market Briefing for Thursday, March the 15th, 2018. We'll start off with Bitcoin today. Bitcoin, the 95.15 to 91.10 area that we said was so important, it held. You can see the last 3 days, no close above that level. And we finally get a close, another close below it. We had one a few days ago, and now we get another one. And look at that close, tested the previous low there right at 8,400. So we're below 8,400 right now. So my expectation is at least that 5,800 to 5,270 zone and beyond on Bitcoin. So for today, I'd be looking for shorts from 8,400 or from that zone 91.10 to 95.15 if you can get them. Generally, my expectation on Bitcoin is down. Moving on to oil. Oil didn't quite make it. It didn't go all the way down to 59.27, although that's what I'm expecting to do. It did come very close to the 60 level, trying to test the previous. There's a couple lows that were in that area. Came down there, tested it, bounced right back up. We're above 61 right now. So for today, what I'd be looking for is either a retest of 62.15, or for us to actually go down and hit 60 and 59.74, possibly 59.27, but I don't think that's going to happen today. So for today, look for shorts 62.15, longs 60 or 59.74. But if it breaks 59.74, I expect it to go to 59.27. Generally speaking, I'm expecting it to actually continue down to 59.27. Looking at gold. Gold, as we talked about yesterday's video, nice bounce off that 14.4 line. Didn't really do much yesterday. Not really much to talk about on gold, generally speaking. For today, look for longs from that zone 13.44 to 13.086, or shorts if we get up around the 13.40 to 45 area. You can see there's a couple swing highs in there on gold. Moving on to the euro. Euro came up, tested our 124.16, hasn't really done anything. Look for the euro to break that and continue to the upside today. So targets for today 125.38 to the upside, or downside 122.480. Doing extra markets today. I'm going to cover pretty much all of them here that you see on the screen. We'll look at the ZB and YM and 6J and ES next. Just to give you guys who are just watching on the channel and not subscribers some more proof, shall we say, or some more confidence in what we're doing in terms of these levels and being able to incorporate them into your trading. So looking at the Nasdaq. Looking at the Nasdaq, we came into this key area that we discussed, 70.94 to 75.51, and we did get very close to that 70.21. So for today, this is the key area. We need to get above 94 for the long side. However, if we get back below 51.75, you'll probably want to stick with shorts. And then for today, what I'd expect for targets would be at least the 70.21 quarter and 69.94 quarter. If we get back above 94, then at the very least the 71.28 quarter to the upside and a retest of the high above 7,200 on the Nasdaq. And here we are, finally the bonds getting a decent move up after building a base here, right at this 145.06. This is a minor zone, 145.06 to 145.26. You can look for shorts here, but be careful. I am expecting it to continue up beyond that to the test the 148 handle, which you can see was the initial breakdown point of the big move down. However, it is possible that we might play between these two zones for now. So for today, since we're at this level, look for potential shorts here or somewhere in this zone between 145 and 145.26. With targets going back down to maybe the 144 handle and beyond. However, if we get above 145.26, stick with the long side. You don't want to mess with that if we get above 145.26 on the short side. We on to YM. YM, just like the arrows were suggesting, we did come into 25.02. We got the bounce and then the close well above that, and then the follow through today all the way down to this key level 24.74, or pardon me, 24.747, 24.721, and I'm expecting here for us to get actually a bounce. So watch today potentially retracing back to 25.02. However, if we get below back below 24.721, the 24.200 area is probably in play on YM. 6J Japanese yen, looking at right into this key level here. You can see that's where we closed yesterday, and then right where we are today, it's come right up into this 94.430 area, which is what we expected. Now I would now I can change that arrow and I'd be looking for shorts below this area. So if we're below this area, look for shorts. However, if we get back above 94.430, look for potential longs with targets up at 95.085 and 95.130. But if we stay below this 94.430 area, look for shorts, and we should get a much bigger move down on the yen. Finally, moving over to the ES. Again, doing what we expected. We came into 27.72, got a close back above that around 27.80. Today we came down, pushed through that 27.72, didn't quite make it to 27.41 quarter. So for today, expect a retracement potentially back up to 27.72, but I'd stick with the short side for now. So targets for today, 41 quarter, 38.75, and then beyond that, this zone here, this 27.0975 to 27.03. If you were in TTI's trial on Tuesday, some of the trades that were called near the end of the day were closed off today. Simon had a pretty big day, 290 ticks taking over the past 2 days. He had 100 ticks today, and the trades that were closed from the trial day, very nice. So check out the trials. They happen every Tuesday. Check out the membership site at thetraderinstitute.com, and we'll see you in the next video. Trade well, control risk, and we'll see you tomorrow.